Most people think they know how to squat, but here's the truth. The way you're squatting right now might be wrecking your knees and lower back without you even realizing it. Ever seen someone bending forward like they're bowing to an invisible king? Or pushing their knees way past their toes? Those are the most common squat mistakes. Start with your feet shoulder-width apart, toes slightly out. Keep your chest up and eyes forward. Now imagine sitting back into an invisible chair. Hips move first, not your knees. Engage your core like you're bracing for a punch and drive through your heels. Knees should track your toes, not cave inward. As you rise, squeeze your glutes at the top. Don't thrust forwards. And breathe. Inhale on the way down. Exhale on the way up. Now, here's your challenge. Do 10 perfect squats using this form. Feel that control? That's real strength. Train smart, not just hard. And your body will thank you.